Budget season is here, and if you're wondering what to include, here are the top 9 things to consider adding to your multifamily property budget. First up, we have modern access control. Modern access control is one of the smartest upgrades you can make. A good building access system doesn't just add convenience, it adds security too. Systems like Butterfly MX let residents open doors and gates right from their smartphones, see who's at the door before letting them in, and grant access to guests or delivery drivers. They'll love not having to carry around keys, key cards, or fobs, trust me. 2. Outdoor amenities. Residents are spending more time at home than ever, and as a result, they're looking for outdoor spaces where they can relax and connect. Adding amenities like rooftop decks, dog parks, community gardens, or outdoor kitchens goes a long way in improving the resident experience. These features increase lease renewals and reduce turnover by creating a more enjoyable living environment. 3. Energy efficient upgrades. Sustainability isn't just a trend, it's a priority, especially for younger renters. Energy efficient upgrades like smart thermostats, improved insulation, new windows, or solar panels help you stand out from the competition around, while also reducing your utility bills. These investments may have an upfront cost, but they pay off in long-term savings and increased appeal. 4. On-demand services. Today's residents expect convenience. That's why on-demand services like dog walking, house cleaning, or grocery delivery are becoming more popular in multifamily living. Now, consider partnering with a third-party provider to offer these services through an app. It's a great way to give your building a luxury feel without adding major operational overhead. 5. Lease renewal incentives. It costs more to find a new resident than to keep an existing one. That's why it makes sense to set aside part of your budget for lease renewal incentives. Whether it's a rent discount, a gift card, or a free unit upgrade, these small gestures can lead to higher retention rates and lower turnover costs, which boosts your net operating income in the long run. 6. Co-working space. Remote work isn't going anywhere. Residents want quiet, dedicated places to focus without leaving the building. Budgeting for a co-working space, complete with desks, Wi-Fi, and access control, helps you attract remote workers and potentially generate extra revenue if you charge for usage. 7. Package management solution. Online shopping is here to stay, and with it comes a flood of deliveries. Without a reliable solution, your front desk or maintenance team ends up overwhelmed and residents get frustrated. That's why a package management system is worth budgeting for. Butterfly MX package rooms are a great option to reduce package theft and improve your building's operations. 8. Laundry upgrades. Laundry remains one of the most important apartment features for renters, and I'll tell you why. If you don't already have in-unit washers and dryers, consider adding them. They boost your rental premiums by at least 15 to 20%. And if you already have shared laundry rooms, think about upgrading the machines or switching to an app-based payment system. Even simple improvements make a big impact on resident satisfaction. 9. Guest parking. Parking isn't just about resident vehicles. Visitors need a place to park too. So adding guest parking, whether through reconfiguring your lot or paving unused space, is a powerful differentiator, especially in urban areas. It shows residents you're thinking about their full living experience, not just the basics. At the end of the day, budgeting is about more than cutting costs. Whether you're upgrading your access controls, enhancing your amenities, or creating new sources of revenue, these 9 investments help your building stand out and succeed. Thanks again for watching. If you found this helpful, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more property management insights. And if you're looking for smart access solutions to modernize your building, head over to butterflymx.com to learn more.